Sources said members at the meeting were ordered to stop chanting ED 2030 slogan to avoid causing more friction in the ruling party over a plot to extend ED Mnangagwa's term of office. Sanapenda mashuka mdanyo kwa pana from the Standard Zim News. Notable subscribe or like or turn on the bell. Kutipinda pana panyara chita Harare explodes over ED 2030 slogan. Upinda wachiti. A charge the Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee meeting held on Sunday exposed growing opposition to a ZANU-PF slogan calling for the extension of the President Emmerson Mnangagwa's incumbency. On Sunday, there was a charged Provincial Coordinating Committee meeting in Harare where the question were raised over the ED 2030 slogan, with Harare chairperson Goodwill's Masimiriamboa also taken to task. Party members quizzed National Komizam Nyaradzi Machacha on why the party leadership has been allowing members to chant the 2030 slogan when Mnangagwa he had said he will not extend his rule. Machacha reportedly said ZANU-PF would elect a new leader in 2027, allowing members to support their chosen candidates. Machacha said the party will select a new leader ahead of the 2020 general elections. An insider who attended the meeting disclosed. Comrade Machacha stated that President Mnangagwa's term ends in 2028. Domashwa tuna kuti aiwa moita a heated debate over the weekend, but tuna kuti aiwa manu wemu the ruling party vamo chaimo pasina kana any opposition figure vanouya vachikwizana vachikweshana vachiti why is it people are being allowed kuti vachande the ED 2030 slogan, asi mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe akataura kuega kuti aiwa ndinoda kunozorora. Mashoko atona kuti aiwa people mu the ruling party they are now tired. Zvatiri kuona kuti vakuonesa chimoto kuna Nyaradzi Machacha. Mutiza mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu. Mutiza mafungiro enyu, musangano subscribe or like, turn on the bell.